channel at kung bago ka ito, please like and share this video and subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell for more videos. And for today, gagawa na naman tayo na Korean makeup. It is this visual Jisoo or King Jisoo from Blackpink. So, gagawin natin yung medyo previous niyang IG photo. Gagayahin lang natin yung makeup na. Hindi tayo mag-transform into Jisoo. Okay. Anyway, so let's continue. And first, let's dive into it. First, tataliin muna natin ating hook by this rubber band. So, I forgot. Anyways, let's go. So yeah, pagkatapos niyan, ito naman headband. Like, so after yan, next naman ay maglalagay tayo ng contact lens. This is from Lazada. Boysome. Ililink ko na lang sa bio. Ililink ko na lang sa description box kung saan siya nabibili. Tapos na tayo maglagay ng contact lens. Next naman ay ating primer. Maglagay tayo ng primer. Gagamitin kong primer ay from Maybelline Master Prime. Just gonna use it. Just gonna use our little finger.
Our index finger to apply primer.
And we're going to use eye magic blender. This is for the foundation and concealer, and this is one for the primer. Next is our foundation from Maybelline. Shade 122. Only one drop. And then blend it to our face. Konti lang. As in, konti lang talaga, guys. Kaya akin na yan. So, next naman ay ating concealer from Maybelline. Like, Age Rewind Eraser. Just gonna some lower eyes, under eye, a little here, a little here, little here, and I guess we're gonna put some here too for the lipstick later on. And of course, I'm gonna use the blender again. Yung natin ngayon ay more on natural look kasi gano'n naman talaga si Jisoo. Like, hindi niya na kailangan ng makeup. Beshi! Ganda-ganda niya na. Sana all, diba? Alam ko na maganda tayo, pero diba, iba talaga yung ganda ni Jisoo. So, yan. Problema ko talaga itong under eye ko kasi palaban siya, bes. Palaban. Sana all palaban. Hindi na nakikita niyo pa rin siya. But anyways, okay na yan. Pwede na yan. As long as maganda tayo.
Oh, you're so funny.
Namuta ko yung nose. Nagiging sanhin ng dark. Or may pag may dark kayo dito, ibig sabihin may blackheads kayo dyan guys na namumuo at kailangan nyo nang tanggalin yun. Meron naman bibiling pantanggal. Kahit sa 20-20 meron yan. Mura lang naman yun guys. Kahit sa Watson, meron yan. Kahit sa Mercury, meron yan. So, ayan. Next naman, ay ang ating powder. Pressed powder. Ang gagamitin kong powder ngayon ay Jojo Makeup from... This is from Simiso. Ang gagamitin kong brush. I-spread lang natin siya sa face. Konti lang kasi alam mo yung nakakaputi talaga itong powder na ito. Like, konting lagay mo lang, puting-puti mo na. Pressed powder siya, pero ginagamit ko yung brush. Wala, gusto ko lang. Yan, as you can see. Mas puti pa ata yung face ko ngayon. Okay na yan. Next naman ay ang ating press powder. Yeah, dalawang press powder. Kaya magbe-bake naman tayo. Ang ginagamit ko ngayon ay ang Coverall Makeup by Magic Halo Cosmetic Pro. Tak. Then, put it in here para mag-bake siya. So, ano-ano natin gusto palabas. A little here. Okay. And then, ang ating neck. Don't forget that. So next is the eyebrow. Gamitin kong eyebrow pencil is the Maybelline. Light brown from Maybelline eyebrow. I forgot the name of it. Yeah, makakalimutin niya kasi. Okay, know that. Okay, we're gonna use the mirror. And napapansin ko rin na nahihilig na si Jisoo sa mga pinkish, oranges na makeup. Or may makeup na lang siya. Pero I think nahihilig na siya sa mga ganun. Also, napapansin ko rin kay Jisoo na mahilig siya sa mga a little pinkish na kadalasan sa mga airport pag alis na ng bansa, naka-red lipstick si Jisoo. Minsan lang yung pinkish. Is that okay? Yeah, I think that's okay. So next naman, maglalagay tayo ng concealer. I know. Ang gagamitin natin concealer is this from Ashley Shine Highlight and Contour. I'm gonna use this brush. Wait, and go. So you can see madami siya kasi ginamit ko yun siya dito. So nag-practice ako, guys. I'm gonna use this. Put it in here to correct some lines. Yan. Okay na yan, guys. Then, we're just gonna put some powder on it para mag-set yung nilagay natin. So, yan. Next, mag-ano tayo? Mag-ano? Lalagay tayo ng peach or orange na eyeshadow. From eyeshadow. Just gonna put it here in the eye. Yan. Ganyan lang yung amount. Next, maglalagay tayo ng onti pink. Onti lang naman. Hindi ko lang kung nakikita niyo yung pink. Pero nandyan lang yung pink. Lagay ko siya dito sa aking eyes, lower eye. And I use the Caroline blush kasi wala akong pinkish na eyeshadow. And yes, ang color niya ay pinkish blush. Lower eye kasi pagka pinkish nga, ang pinkish orangish yung makeup na. Maganda pa rin. Then, of course, after that, we're just gonna add a little lang naman, a little brown. Kasi sa gilid nung kanyang Yung sa gilid ng mata niya, may pagka-brownish. Or brown. Yung kanyang yung pew-pew, ganyan. So, maglalagay siguro muna tayo ng eyeliner. Gagamitin natin eyeliner for today is this eyeliner from Careline, shade black. And we're just gonna add it here.
언니가 만약에 정말 생기 의사와 맞게 진짜 좀 조용하고 여성여성한 성격이었으면 저희 팀이 우울할 수도 있었을 텐데요.
Yan guys. And then we're gonna add dito sa gilid. Gilid na. Yan. Naglagay lang tayo dito sa gilid ng eyeliner. Yes, ito yung ginamit ko. Yung this na liquid. Kasi mas gamay ko siya. Yan. Then we're just gonna add the brown. This brown. Shade light brown. Okay, light brown. Little amount. And we're just gonna put it in here on the side. Yan. Ganyan lang siya. And of course, after that, ay i-blend natin ito. I-blend na natin ang ating powder na nilagay. Next, we're going to do the contouring. So we're gonna use this brown again to contour our nose. And after contouring our nose, we're gonna add a little powder. No. Okay. Okay. Then after nyan, maglalagay naman tayo ng contour. We're gonna use this again, the contouring powder. Yes, ginawag ko na siyang contouring powder kahit hindi contouring, okay? This to mix that and of course add a little after that, we're gonna contour our jawline. Okay. After that, I almost forgot to blend this powder around my neck. Okay, finish. Then after that, we're gonna add a little lang. Gonna add a highlighter from Careline again. Okay. Then after that, after the highlight, we're gonna put some blush. So, ang blush na gagamitin natin ito din. From Careline, pinkish blush. And we're just gonna add a little. I don't know if you can see it there. Then, of course, after that, our lipstick. Yung ko na nga siya ng ating concealer. Yan. So, after na maglalagay tayo ng lipstick, ang gagamitin nating lipstick ay gonna use this lipstick from L'Oreal. Shade 02 Gossip Girl. And we're gonna add it in here. And we're just gonna add a little gloss. Kinapalan ko na siya, kahit hindi naman makapal yun. Kasi nga, pero kung gusto nyo nipisan, or light lang, gawin nyo ng light, that's okay. So, ginawa ko siyang makapal kasi, parang ano lang yan, guys, kapag tumagal yung makeup or yung lipstick, mawawala din yung tint niya or yung glow or yung bright ng color. So, magiging pinkish din siya mamaya. So, yeah. Of course, don't forget, almost forgot, I always forgot this. Our mist or spray, setting spray from Beauty Mist Looks Organics. That's it. And of course, don't forget to change our outfit. Guys, Jisoo at your area. So yun guys, sana na-enjoy nyo itong video na to. At kung nagaya ko ang makeup ni Jisoo, please like this, share this video and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell for more videos, and see you guys tomorrow.